What's up, Wise Shifters? We back with a 1 year review of the Igloo water container. And one thing I can say for sure is that this water container come in clutch. For those who don't know what that means, in time of need, this is essential. Now, when it comes to prepping or basic survival, we all need the three essential key things. Number one, water. Number two, food. And number three, shelter. So I'm here to talk about the Igloo water container. And it's been a year since I owned this, and one thing that I can say for sure is that it does what it was created for, to hold water. Now, there's a few essential things that I want to touch on is that number one, this container, say of course it's in blue, it stores water pretty well. And as you can see in my hand, there's a few ways you can pour your water out. Of course, you have the sprout that you can use to mount, which has a rubber gasket, so there's no leakage. Of course, you just push it through and attach it to your container. And of course, in case you need water, just like a gas can, you pour your water out. Simple and easy. And what I love is back here, it's an oxygen hole where if you open it, it helps you with your water flow. And not only that, when you store your water, you can also get oxygen to your water container. And if you can get close, you can probably hear it, but you can also see the flow also. If I close this, you can look at the nozzle and stop and slow down the flow. Now, besides this itself, you can easily store your water with no problem. But the number one thing is that you have an amazing container that you can store your water. And I don't have to go into the importance of water. We all know it's essential to life. And for those who are watching, like I tell a lot of people who watch this channel, and they always ask me, what do I need to do to start prepping? Well, start learning how to purify water, store water, and ways to get water. That's your number one thing. And number two is make sure that you have enough food stored. And then when you have enough, at least 6 months to a year of food storage, next thing to do is to learn how to garden, how to replenish the food that you're going to eat. And three, your house, your home that you shelter, your home that you're living in, ways of how to fortify it and make sure that it's comfortable for you and it's safe for you. And if you have to bug out, you have a secondary location. And also just practice with tents. Learn how to make makeshift tents out in the wild. But this video is all about just prepping and the basic needs of prepping. And this container itself, during the hurricane, I put it to use. It's full of water. There's 6 gallon total in here. And not only that, it's a solid container. And if imagine you just starting off with these. It's simple. Get one. I'm not advertising it to get a sale or anything on it. I'm just telling you, I did a review on this video on this particular container a year back, and matter of the conclusion is that it works. It's holding up pretty well. No issues. Please, guys, get used to practicing your prep. Like I always say, Rise Shifters, your prep today can save your life tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment below. Tell me what you think about this. If you have one, if you're thinking about getting one, just let me know what you're currently using. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.